welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix WhatsApp not sending verification code on Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if WhatsApp is not sending verification code on your Android device, you can simply try to enable and disable your airplane mode. You can find your mode called flight mode. You can simply try to disable it or enable it to simply fix this problem. Now you need to wait for 30 seconds, and after that simply you can request for a different verification code, or you can simply retry to send your verification code. This might help you to fix this problem, or you can also try to switch between your accounts, like your network profile. You can switch between your cellular data and Wi-Fi settings. So this might fix this problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.